Hi kids, welcome to my classroom. This is Miss Sarah with you. Today we will learn about letter Q. This is a letter Q. Say good morning to letter Q. Good morning, letter Q. This is a capital Q and this is a small q. Capital Q, small q. Repeat after me. Capital Q and small q. And now let's make the letter Q sound. The sound of letter Q is kwa, kwa, kwa. And now let's learn some vocab about letter Q. Q is for queen, queen, kwa, kwa, queen. And Q is for question, question, kwa, kwa, question. Queen, question. Let's continue. Q is for quilt, quilt, qua, qua, quilt. And Q is for shh, quiet, quiet, qua, qua, quiet. Let's revise. Q is for queen, qua, qua, queen. Q is for question, qua, qua, question. Q is for quilt, qua, qua, quilt. Q is for shh, quiet, qua, qua, quiet. Q, queen. Q, question. Q, quilt. Q, quiet. At last, I have an advice for you. You should be quiet in the class. You should be shh, quiet in the class. Okay, thank you. See you later.